In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable dark mode in ChatGPT 2026 guide. Let's start by opening the customization menu so you can reach the theme controls. On desktop or the web, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click your profile icon or name. On the mobile app, tap your profile icon, which may appear at the top left or bottom left, depending on your version. From the account menu, select the Settings gear icon to open your preferences. Inside Settings, make sure the General tab is selected. At the top of this section, you'll find Appearance, sometimes labeled Theme on certain builds. Open the drop-down and choose the look you want. Dark switches your interface to a high contrast dark palette, Ashadi. In the 2026 update, this has been tuned to a deeper black that looks crisp and also helps OLED screens use less power. Light keeps the familiar bright background with dark text. System matches whatever theme your computer or phone is currently using, so it will automatically switch as your device changes between light and dark. While you're here, you can personalize the app beyond light and dark. In the same general menu, locate accent color. Pick a hue like green, blue, or purple to change the color of chat bubbles, action buttons, and highlighted text. This doesn't affect readability, but it gives your workspace a bit of personality and can make key actions easier to spot. If you're on a recent iOS or Android version and don't see appearance in general, look under Settings and then Personalization. There, tap Color Scheme to toggle between light, dark, and system. Some mobile builds place the accent color control in this personalization area as well, so it's worth a quick check if you want everything consistent. A few quick tips to finish. Changes apply instantly. There's no save button and you don't need to refresh. If the new pure black dark mode feels too sharp, try softening the contrast with a browser extension or enable your device's night shift or blue light filter to warm the tones in the evening. And if you're on a phone with an OLED display, using dark mode can extend battery life significantly, sometimes by as much as 30%, especially when you spend a lot of time reading and typing. And that is all for today. Whether you're working in the dark or under bright lights, your AI workspace should always be comfortable for your eyes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next